Hello guys, today I want to show you how LabVIEW will work and what are the main facts and what are the figures of LabVIEW. First of all, this is basically for learning course, and I'm doing this all job for most of the learner which you want to start, which want to learn LabVIEW, how LabVIEW will working and what are the limitations and what are the outcomes of LabVIEW. So first we will search what is LabVIEW. So basically LabVIEW is a type of software in which you are visualization. You can do many types of jobs in LabVIEW. That is, you can easily modify or you can easily make automations for testing level. Basically this is a block diagram in which you in LabVIEW you are using block diagrams. That is, we are making VIs that are included many types of blocks, and we are connected all blocks together, and that's how when we run our program, then it will easily compile into our system, and we can easily identify what we are doing and what are our targets and what we want to do in about our projects. So there are some limitations, some properties, and some description of LabVIEW. So initially, basically LabVIEW is a laboratory virtual instruments engineering workbench, in which basically we are using virtual instruments. That is basically there are many number of blocks used in LabVIEW, and we are working about on all these blocks. And it is a basically system design platform and development environment for a visual programming language for from National Instrument. Basically LabVIEW is a instrument is a product of National Instruments, and it is very easy to use, and the graphical language is named G. Here we are using a graphical language because we are using a block diagram. So here we are using graphical language. So basically National Instrument named this language as a G language, not to be confused with G Node, originally released for the Apple Macintosh in 1886. Basically it is released for Apple iPhone, Apple systems as well. But we name this as a G language, and it is used for data acquisition, instrument control, and industrial automation on a variety of platforms, including Microsoft Windows, various version of Unix, Linux, and operational OS X. Latest version LabVIEW is LabVIEW 2015. Now I think 2016 is not released yet, but I'm working on LabVIEW 2014, and LabVIEW 2015 also as well released in from National Instruments. So what are the what we can do with LabVIEW? LabVIEW can do many jobs as we expect. First of all, I'm mentioning it is used for data acquisition. What is data acquisition? Data acquisition is a system in which we are managing our data. Let's suppose if we are working on image processing, then all the type of data which we are using in image processing is just doing by data acquisition, and LabVIEW provide us a VN software which is very helpful in data acquisition. So instrument control, you can do also instrument control, test automations. You can test many big complicated circuits and complication graph from this LabVIEW very easily, and you don't need to do such type I think you can easily use LabVIEW in for demonstration as well. Analysis and signal processing, as I have said, basically it is a very extraordinary software, and it can also provide signal processing. You can do many type of signal processing like AM. If, for example, if you are using FM system, AM system, if you want to decode your data, encode your data, you can easily use in analyzing signal system processing. Industrial control as well as the embedded design. I just also included LabVIEW is basically include an FPGA in included. So if we are using a LabVIEW for FPGA, then it is very helpful, because in FPGA we are using a block diagram code as well. So we don't need to move toward the Xilinx software, which is very, I think, very difficult language for processing. But we are using LabVIEW, but we are using an FPGA in LabVIEW by using just simple blocks. So it's very easy in software. So let's think about what is LabVIEW can do. There are some instruments. I think I have take this picture from Google, and it includes that what LabVIEW can do. Basically, it is a G programming language, as I have already tell you. It's working on G language. Hardware support as well. LabVIEW can support Arduino, your Atmel, your Mega, or Arduino UNO, Arduino Mega, and Mario Kit as well. I will show demonstration of Mario Kit in the next lectures. So analysis and technical code libraries, we have UI components and reporting tool as well. We have technology abstraction as well, model computation as well. So basically it is a bundle of programs in this LabVIEW, and we are using data flow programming in this LabVIEW, and we are using graphical programming benefits. We have benefit from this LabVIEW. Interfacing to devices, we can easily interface our devices with LabVIEWs. We have code compilation system in LabVIEW. We can easily compile our codes. We have large libraries. I think number of libraries we have used, we can use in LabVIEW. And we have parallel programming as well. As I have already tell you, we are using FPGA. We can use FPGA in LabVIEW, so we can easily do parallel programming. And ecosystem as well. What is what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is just like longevity and popularity of the LabVIEW language, and the ability of user to extend the functionality. A large ecosystem of third-party add-on has developed through contribution from the community. This ecosystem is available in LabVIEW tools, so you can easily use ecosystem in this LabVIEW. So I think it's a very good key features of LabVIEW. And in the next lecture we will tell how LabVIEW can working, and what are the how you can use LabVIEW easily in your systems. And it is very easily, I think, you can easily anyone can learn this LabVIEW, and easily this is very normal job for any students who want to learn this LabVIEW. Thank you.